Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add a custom widgets in your Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to add custom widgets, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Play Store and here just go to search and search for this one. You must have to search for custom widget and here just open the app and just install this app. You must have to install KWGT or custom widget app. You must have installed it. Just wait for installation, then we will have the simple setup. After the installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here just tap on let's go and next and allow the permissions. And after that, you must have to tap on select folder and then select any folder from here. As I'm going to select download folder from here, and here just tap on create new folder, and here you must have to create a folder that I have. Just tap on OK, then tap on use this folder, then allow, and then tap on use it, and then close. After doing that, you must have to tap on hold on an empty place on your home screen, then select widgets from here, and then just scroll down and look for custom widget app which we have just installed. You must have to look for that. Here's that, just tap on it and then tap on the widget which you want. As I'm going to add this one, just keep long press on it, then add it to your home screen. You can resize it if you want, and then tap on it to set up your widget. Here you must have to select the widget which you want to add to your home screen. As let's say I'm going to add this one, so just tap on it and then tap on OK, then OK again, and here you can customize if you want, and after that just tap on save. So that's how you can easily add a custom widget to your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.